Hello guys, my name is Mani. Welcome back to Project with Mani YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn object finding robot. Uh, this is very interesting. You can see it's scanning 180-degree around, and whenever it facing a object nearby it becomes steady at that point. You can again see. So it is a very interesting topic with less code and less connections by Arduino. So let's get started. To make this project, the requirements that we need are Arduino board, ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, jumper wires, and USB cable to connect Arduino board to our PC, and let us see the connections. Let us connect Arduino board to the ultrasonic sensor. First of all, I am taking a jumper wire from VCC. You can see from VCC I am connecting the pin number 7. From trigger pin we have to connect 6th number of Arduino board, echo pin we have to connect 5th number, and final the ground pin we have to connect 4th number pin of Arduino board. So you can see the connections which are made between ultrasonic sensor and Arduino board are very easy, as well as let us see the connections which are made between servo motor and Arduino board. So first of all, I am connecting a wire from ground or a brown color. From brown color wire, I am connecting any ground of Arduino board. Okay, after that, from red or power supply, I am connecting high volt. I am connecting high volt of Arduino board, and remaining pin or signal pin or yellow color pin from servo motor I am connecting 9th number pin of Arduino board. So friends, you can see again the connections. So let us see the ports for this project. So let us move to our PC screen. So this is our code which is already written over here. You can find this code link in the description. Please check it out. I have declared here the echo pin, trick pin, BCC, a ground pin as well of ultrasonic sensor, and let us verify it whether it is working or not. As we can see, the code is absolutely correct. And let us upload it into our Arduino board through our USB cable. So we have uploaded the code into our Arduino board. So let us assemble it into our floor. So I am fixing the servo motor and ultrasonic sensor like this with glue gun. So I have assembled the whole thing like this with glue gun. So let us supply power to it. I'm supplying through my PC through USB cable. So as I am provided supply to it, it starts scanning. And let us place a object. It started scanning. So as it see the object, it's study over here. It is working perfectly. So if you enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get an instant notification for innovative videos from me. So let's see in another video.